Hi there, this is Mac Hatter here. This video is a little bit different. I have created my own Discord server basically for uh, people with mental health concerns, um, mental health conditions. It's a server where I'm going to teach them, if they want to be taught, how to use the AI tools that are out at the moment for creating art. I've been doing this now for about 8 months. I have my own mental health conditions to deal with, and this new AI art has been incredible in helping me. These are um, some of the stuff that I do. There's all my Mac Hatter stuff. I like redheads, as you can see, and loads of other stuff. And I am convinced that this technology will help loads of people who have a whole plethora of mental health conditions. However, what I have noticed is Discord, definitely most people don't know how to use it and haven't used it before, so I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you how to access my server. It's brand new. There is I think there's 5 humans in it at the moment, so it is very, very new, and I would love to get some people in there. These are just an example of some of the pages. You can come in and show your AI art once you've learned to do it, or if you can already do it. There's some tutorials here. I've done loads of tutorials on how to use it. We have an 18 plus discussion room where we discuss anything you want to discuss about mental health. We have a general chat where you can talk about anything. If you've got things you want to promote, you can pop them in here, and we've got access to some of the bots. It will be easier for me to describe this stuff later on. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to get access to the Discord server. Now, let's assume you're going to be clicking on my link. So I shall create a link, which is here. Okay, so now I've got the link. So let's just do an example of sending it to an email address. Now this link will be in the description of this video on YouTube down the bottom there. If you click on it, it will do the same thing. So I'm just going to log out of my current Discord account, and I'll just close it, and I will go to my email and just send an email to the new email address I'm going to use for Discord. Okay, so here we go. There's my Discord invite. So there's the link. That'll be the same link that's in the description of this video. When you click on it, it will take you to a Discord web address. Now, Discord's basically just a chat room, but there's hundreds and thousands of them. This one is specifically, as I said, it's called Mac Hatter's Tea Party. It's built by me specifically, but not exclusively for people with mental health conditions, as I've already stated. So you pop your username in there. So I'm going to go in as, we'll just call it Mac Hatter, Mark the Mac Hatter _test, because I've got another one in there called Mac Hatter test. So you would do this and then hit continue. It will then, now because I don't have an account yet, it will ask me to create an account, and you get these dumb, I hate these things, lying with an open mouth. Right, so it's going to create me an account. You'll hear things beeping and blopping and blopping and beeping. January the 1st, and we'll just make it pretty old. Same age as me-ish. Done. Finish by signing up. Claim your account by entering an email and password. Okay, so Mac Hatter at MacHatter.com, and right, claim account. I think the reason they do that is because I think you can end up with like a not a permanent account. So I'll just save these. Okay, and you can also get the desktop app, which has got more features and stuff, but for this I'm not going to show you that stuff. So this is the server, and this is what you will see when you get invited here. So this is the first time I've seen this myself. So what is it saying here? Hey Sound Magus. Right, that's an old one. Shouldn't really be able to see that. I need to fix that. This is the one here. Hey Mark the Mac Hatter Test, welcome. Whether you're here to learn AI applications, talk to like-minded people, blah 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 blah, go to the rule page before chatting in the channels. Click the rules. I want everybody to read those rules, and by the time you get there, there will be something else here that will make you go into self roles and click on that. At the moment you can't do anything because you've got to resend it. Oh, wait a minute. There's been an email already sent, seemingly. A verification email. Not seen it yet. Okay, if you're not an idiot like me, I was trying to get this verified, and I'd put my email address as machatter@machatter.com. Even the .studio still catches me out, but I've got it now. Click on the verify, click on verify email. It'll go off and do its thing. That's it. I'll just close this other one. So it's now verified, and if you click on that, that's the server. So it's Mac Hatter's Tea Party, and you can probably guess why it's called Mac Hatter. And just read the rules. As I say, there'll be something else in there for you guys, so that I'll know you've read the rules. And once you've read the rules, this is basically the server. A server is basically just, think of it kind of like a house. You know, it's got loads of different rooms that do loads of different things. Basically, each one is a room. So at the moment, as it stands in here currently, we have the rules room, or channel as they call it. Then there's an announcement channel. This is where I'll put announcements for stuff, and you'll always, when somebody new joins the server, they'll show up in here. Self roles, these are roles that I can allow people to have. For instance, if I click this now, if you look over here, I'm now a friend. See that? Mark the Mac Hatter _test has now got a friend role. Now the roles can be all different things. Don't worry about that if you're new to all this stuff. I'm still relatively new. I've only been using it 7 months. I'll be able to teach you everything you need, and I'm always here, and you can ask me loads of questions. I am based in the UK, so you know, you've got to think of UK times, but that's about it. So then we've got chat rooms. So we've got the mental health chat room. That's for 18-year-olds and above. Please read this, because I take this extremely seriously. If you give anybody any hassle, or are just generally being an arse and upsetting people, I'll ban you and I won't let you back in. It's that simple. Talk about anything in here, whatever you fancy. You can show your art in here, and if you've got, I don't know, a shop or something that you want to sell your art, if you just want to promote your art, if you've got your own website or whatever, you can do it all in here. And then there's my YouTube tutorials, which are linked in here, and various other tutorials which I'll add over time. And this is a talk chat. It's like a kind of like a Zoom meeting without Zoom, without the picture. We can all talk in there if we want to. I'm also going to do screen sharing, so that's probably what this will be for, because if I hit screen, I can choose a screen to share, and I can show you guys how to do stuff. So that's what I'll probably use it for, but we can use it for loads of different things. Anyway, so it's pretty easy to get this going. And then once you're in here, as I say, I'll be able to show you loads of stuff. If you just bear with me 2 seconds, I'm just going to do something so that I can show you what I can show you. I can show you one of the reasons I want to get people into this server. Okay, so I just made the bot rooms public. So see these here, these are 3 bots. Now this allows you to use these from within Discord, but this is primarily where we hang out and it's easier to use. So I'll show you all of this stuff as well. Basically what you would be doing for this is, I'll put a link to this in the description of this video as well. So you would be going here, and then I advise you to create an account. You can use it without that, without an account, but I advise you to create an account so that you can keep all of your credits and all of your everything that you make. So we'll just go no thanks there. I think, is it up here? No, we'll just go more options. Okay, so it's doing all of this, and you instantly get 5 credits, so that's 5 free credits. View profile, let's see what it's done. So you're now an anonymous user. So when you get to this anonymous user page, come up here, go to view profile. Account settings, sorry, edit profile. You need to set up a login method before editing your profile. Set one up now, and then you can choose to use your Facebook account, connect with Godot, or a password. So then you just put your email password, confirm, and it creates the account for you. And then your account will look like mine. So your account will look like this, but you'll have no pictures obviously because you've not done anything yet. And then once you've got this, you would then go and watch the video tutorials I've got in here, or just ask me questions in here and I'll help you. I'm always around, as I say. I'm pretty much on this from kind of 7-8 in the morning till, well, at least this time. So what's that? You know, it's at least 12 hours I'm on there. So, but that's the value of it. That's what I think the value of it is. I'll give you a quick show of what these are. These are different bots. That's the Midjourney bot. This is the Stable Diffusion bot through Pixel, and then there's the Pixel bot. And you just make pictures by telling it what you want. So a beautiful, happy person who doesn't have a mental health issue. I don't like using the word issue, but I always forget the other one. Condition. And then I want it to be in the style of anime by... I've got an anime book in front of me. I'll just grab one of them. I didn't have anybody off the top of my head. So let's go for Suhiro Maruo. Right, so that's me telling the bot to draw that picture for me. Now let me just copy that and I'll show you how the other bots do it as well. So hit enter. Stable Diffusion bot is, if you read here, type stable. Oh, same again, I'll just paste the text in. And then the Pixel bot up here, type PXLE. Right, let's see what we get. So it's a way of doing stuff at the moment. Basically what's happening is the bot's like, it's a mathematical equation basically. I'm not getting into it. My video tutorials will help you if you want to get into it deeper. So it's now speaking to it and saying, can you create this for me? That's basically what it's doing at the moment. So let's have a look and see if we've got anything back. Oh, need to accept the terms of service because you get some free credits, because some of them cost money, or you get credits every day. I'll teach you about all that stuff as well. So all I done was push the up arrow to get that back, hit enter, it'll go off and draw it for me now. Stable diffusion bot, there you go. Pretty neat, huh? Pretty neat. Is the pixel bot done? No, it's still talking. Midjourney bot. The Midjourney bot one's quite cool because you can watch it kind of creating it. See up here? You can actually get a video of it doing this, which is really smart, but again, a wee bit more advanced for when you're first starting, but I'll show you all of this stuff. So that's basically it. This is going to be a place where I want to impart everything I've learned over the last 8 months to people who are primarily in the same kind of boat as me. I suffer from complex PTSD and ADHD, which I've been diagnosed with complex PTSD this year, ADHD 2 or 3 years ago, and I've got all the other lovely stuff that goes along with that, depression, attachment disorders, blah 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 blah. That's not really, it doesn't really matter what mental health condition you have. It's just about us all getting together and trying to help each other. You know, it's just another tool to kind of fight whatever it is that ails you. But it's not just, you know, in general chat and in here, you know, there'll be just normal people in here speaking about AI art and stuff. Not that we are not normal, or maybe yes, that we are not normal. It just depends how you look at it. I don't really care. I don't really like labels and whatnot. But yeah, hopefully you can join me, and I'll help you as much as I humanly can, and hopefully we can create a really nice, cool place where people can come and just chill out and create crazy art. Let's see if the other ones are done. Is Pixelbot one done? Yeah, yep. There you go. Interesting stuff. Very interesting. And the Midjourney bot, pretty cool. And you know, that's just something off the top of my head. It's nothing, it's meaningless, you know. We can get extremely detailed with this stuff, extremely detailed. You know, look at some of this stuff. You know, I do a lot about trauma and stuff in here. I can show you there's some of my, oh no, that's a weird newborn baby thing I'm doing. There's an aging Scottish man, but yeah, you can see I do loads of stuff, you know, loads and loads of stuff. Anyway, I shall wait to see you in here. As soon as you get in, say hi. I'll be here if you're in the UK, probably, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Take it easy.